Let's talk about some spark plugs. This is a gapping tool. This little tool here will increase or decrease the gap of your spark plug. And we have a bunch of feeler gauges, all marked, different sizes. One side's metric, one side's empirical. Get this one too. On the end here is a spark plug gapping tool, and that'll tell us what size our gap is. Now, the reason why I'm making this video is too many mechanics tell me that the spark plugs are pre-gapped. So let's see, this one's right at about 40 thousandths. Now, if these are pre-gapped, should all be the same, but they're not. I guarantee you. It's a little bit over 40. This one's 42 thousandths. This one here, 41 thousandths. Now the truck I'm working on today requires 32 thousandths spark plug gap. What's that mean? It means if I go by the theory that all plugs are pre-gapped, I'm going to be in trouble. So you take this, bend that electrode down just a little. There. 32 thousandths. So make sure you gap your plugs. After you gap your plugs, use anti-seize on the threads. Just a little bit on there. Now you're ready for installation. Have a good day.